Hi, I am Christina. I'm founder of the Toe Reading Academy. And I know toe reading sounds a little out there until you experience it. If you have toes or you know people who have toes, they've been waiting for this. Because you already know that your body's been telling your story your whole life. And I'm going to show you how this shows up in a very physical, visible, and readable way. Your toes show patterns. They show your gifts. They show how you protect yourself. They show how you make decisions. What are your relationships like? How do you express yourself? How do you hold yourself back? Truly, the stories are in the toes. And in this workshop, I'm going to show you how to see that. And you'll walk away from this workshop with a whole new skill and awareness that will tell you about yourself and help you connect more deeply with others. My daughter actually claims that toe reading literally saved her life. And I'll tell you that powerful story in the workshop. And then after you learn the foundational language of toe reading, we're going to practice it. You'll be reading your own toes, understanding yourself in a whole new way, and probably having a few of those big aha moments. It is fun, it is simple, it is powerful, and it is amazingly accurate. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. So truly, you will have tools and experiences that you can use immediately to understand yourself more clearly, to navigate your relationships with more awareness, and to see people, including yourself, in a completely different and more compassionate way. So if you've ever wanted a fun way to understand yourself, your children, your partner, your family, and your friends that is real, embodied, and just a little bit magical, come play with me. We'll see you there.